And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in our renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next.
We're in Lorne and we just got to the Kalimna Falls. We're at the lower one at the moment. So underneath the waterfall, check it out though, it's pretty awesome. You fall and get underneath it. I think it's a good space to have the food. We just made it to the upper falls. It's quite beautiful. I'll get as close as I can, but hiking shoes are not grippy on rock or wood for that matter. Check it out. Pretty dodgy. So I'll see how it goes. More dodgy as. I don't know if I can really get any further from here. I'll give it a crack. Oh, nah. That's too dodgy. I'll put you up. Oh man, that's slippery. Likely's got a long stick. We just made it to Sabine Falls, walking finish. Check it out, it's quite beautiful. And there's a few little viewpoints of it along the walk, but not much. There's 2 river crossings. Bloody beautiful though. Incredible forest.
And it's 30 minutes from Apollo Bay.
30 minutes. And just the whole walk's been like this, like that, super lush. It is raining, and it's been raining like the whole time. It's like, look at this tree even, just absolutely covered with life.
We're definitely in the rainforest.
Hey, so this place is Sabine Falls. We're staying at Stevenson Falls. There's a nice little campground there, and we just sort of explored around the area whilst we were there. And this is one of the skate parks I found at, where was this?
Apollo Bay.
Apollo Bay. And I just wanted to I want to ride at every skate park along the way, so I can say I've been at all of them. Now I spotted this random spectacular waterfall. Look at it. Spectacular as. I think it's this person's like private waterfall. There's no way of getting there. Spectacular. Check this out. So it's a big, fairly dark forest, massive, and just where the pines stop, it's like super green. I mean, look at this tree. It's just covered with life. It's so green here. And it's so dark in the forest. Life, death. Oh. Nailed it. This is what I'm looking at. Obviously unicycle, a whole bunch of water, and then I made a little drain point. Look how much water's coming out. It's loads. Look at the sticks and stuff float. So I reckon when we come back on the sur-Ron, it won't be so sketchy. Oh, that's so sketchy. Whoa. Hopefully it's a bit better than this. Do your thing. Remember how I drained the water? This is the day later. It rained heaps, by the way. Now you can actually get through. All because of my little drain. Riding this good old sur-Ron around a little bit. And exploring with Nay. Check out this place. Look at this. Obviously beautiful little rivery bit. So soft water. We've been on the hike to Little Aire Falls?
Aire.
Little Aire Fall?
It's A-I-R-E.
Aire? Aire? And we just made it, and it is damn spectacular. Look at that. Beautiful. Today we're doing what now? How many hikes? How many waterfalls? 4 waterfalls, 4 hikes. And
I don't know. So we're doing a loop now, and then we're going to the redwood Otways, which is meant to be a forest, and that's meant to be part of the mood walk. And then we're doing beach comp, I think it's called, and that's 600 meters, and Kalimna Falls, which is 1.6. So is that all?
There's the dates. I think so, yeah.
4 waterfalls,
Yeah.
3 hikes, 1 forest walk.
Yep, and this is the longest one. But we're definitely glad we've been bringing the hiking boots. They paid off after the first hike, I reckon. So we'll see you guys at the next waterfall. There's actually a really nice boardwalk. Well, I mean, cage walk, if you know what I mean. It's quite beautiful. That is beautiful. The upper lookout. Damn. Got down to the bottom of the waterfall, and it's pretty good. It's worth the super slippery walk. Whoop, too far. There's so many waterfalls. Another one over there. This would definitely be Leech City. I feel stuff in my legs, but I'm not going to look. Coming all the way down. So we're on our way to Hoptoun waterfall, and it said this is a redwood forest or something like that.
Redwood Otways.
Oh, here we go. Redwood Otways. Get in there. And it said the trees here are like 20 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower. And I want you to just like, I'll probably zoom in as I'm going because you won't be able to see the top of it. Just check it out. Oh, my neck. Let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, I can't even see the top. It's so ridiculously tall. It's not funny. Crazy. That was wobbly, doesn't it? Sorry, I meant the Statue of Liberty, but check it out. A measly 93 meters compared to the I can't even say that. Hyper. Anyway, it's written there. Redwood, 115.6. That's probably the absolute highest one though, I'm guessing. Otherwise they probably wouldn't say the 0.6. Just to be like, look how much higher we are. Crazy shit. It's a 1 kilometer hike or walk or something to get to the base of this waterfall. It looks like it's probably going to be worth it. Better get walking. This is
Hoptoun Falls.
Falls. Well worth the slight hike. I mean, there's a lot of stairs. Yeah, we only came down the stairs. There's so much spray off it. Yeah. Yeah, if you come here, definitely go just over the banister. Like everyone seems to do it. And there's a quite obvious track that goes around and right to the front of the falls, where it is like pretty damp. Nate's hair is all like wet from it. Well worth it. Definitely check it out. And it's a nice walk here as well. Look at that. Look at this magical looking stuff. That is throwing a lot of water. Woo! Sorry if it's not focusing right. So there's got a bit of a problem. Whoa. So we found this like, I don't know, somewhat abandoned waterfall, and yeah, just whoa! Random sinkhole. What is this? Jesus, dodgy as. I think this will be it, right? Ish. Maybe. Either way, it looks cool. So let's check it out. All right, let's get down. This moss is beautiful. Feel bad for stepping on it, but let's be honest, it's kind of everywhere. Look at it, it's so like, Oh, don't fall. It's kind of cool when you can find the somewhat out of the way stuff where no one else really goes. I don't know if I can really put you off the edge. It's kind of sketchy here. And these shoes are really slippery on rocks. A large part of our adventures are just following hunches. Like, Nate's like, I think this is a path. Just kind of like going down into the forest. And up there, it's kind of hard to show steepness on an Insta. This is going to be a pain getting back up though. Oh. Hey. We're both sliding a little bit. I see what you mean though. It's kind of a path. It's right into the forest.
Oh, yeah.
It could just be where water runs though, it's hard for stuff to grow. But I trust you, keep going. Oh, it sounds close there, doesn't it? But we're still probably like 100 meters at least away. Oh no, horrible stuff!
I keep going.
You want a hand? How strong do you reckon this Insta 360 switch is?
I think I'm kind of stuck.
Oi. Try not to put too much weight on it, but you should be able to, actually.
Put it down. That's kind of scary. I made it though.
Kind of a little muddy. Thoughts of going up there?
I don't know, yeah.
I'm gonna check it out, because it might be Oh, I don't want to slip.
I feel like hopefully it's easy with it up.
Yeah, it's going to be painful getting up. It's going to be as good as it gets, I'm sorry. Gonna do my best to get back out of this place. Can't really get lost because it's just uphill. I slip and slide and stay. Cooey! I've been following those cooeys. Trying to get my way out of here. Definitely not going the same way I came in. There's just no good options here. Oh, this would be a nice viewpoint. Check this out. Check it out. Don't break on me. Cool. Pretty solid. Above the forest corner. I feel like Assassin's Creed where I've just reached the highest point. I got so much stuff in my pants, it is not funny. A little funny. People that don't have stuff in their pants watching this. Holy shit! That is not where I went in.
No, I went up the way.
Oh man. Whew.
Bleeding. I need a band-aid.
How bad?
Good. Probably dead. Let's give it a wash.
What, on one of those bramble bushes?
I don't know. I think
So,
I fell.
Made it?
Did you get it? You went to
Ah.
the fall?
No.
Oh.
I mean, we made it back up.
Did you get close?
I don't know.
Hard to say.
It's hard to say if this guy could see it or not. Hopefully he did.
It sounds like it's so close. I think the best one is the top.
Yeah.
If you come here, go to the top.
Go to the top.
Don't do us.
It's so much easier. There's probably like a little walkway out where you can see it all, but we certainly didn't find it. There is so much stuff in my pants,
Oh, yeah.
like inside my pants. So we went around the other side of the road, and I think this is probably the best view we're going to get of it, on the front side anyway. Enjoy. So that was the last of the Otways. Now we head to the 12 Apostles on the Great Ocean Road and check all that out. Let's catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!